Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below where you get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Alrighty, YouTubers, here he is. Got it locked in. Get some light over here. Here we go. Got that light right there. Look at that. And then all you gotta do, I didn't grab my iPhone, I had to grab the Note 21. So, just as good. Perfect. Look at that. Holds perfect, so when you're out driving, you can see where you're going. Just pay attention to the road. But you can hear it through your GPS. And you can have it sideways. And if you're on break, sit in your car, watch some movies on Netflix or Prime Video. You can always do that. Really cool, nice and secured. And like I said, easy to release. Push the button. There it is. Got a nice grip and everything to it. And you got the other part, which is this one right here. It's got to hook it onto an air vent. Or like so. And like that, locks it in place. So really cool. It's a lot of options you could do. I'm gonna keep it that way. I don't know, it'd be kind of hard to see, but I mean, for some people it might be a lot easier to do, especially doing the phone sideways. So your choice. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Be safe, have a good weekend, see you soon. And you'll get this in no time. And if you like this product, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart right now, and check out so they can ship it to you fast. And also, see what other items they have to offer in case you don't like this item, but you never know what else they have. This is coming from Andobil Easy Clip Car Mount. Baby. Here's good stuff right in the back. So they got stable clamping, one button release, metal texture. Alright, right there we cut. I had to grab my other phone. I gotta go downstairs and grab it. There we go. Alrighty. Take a look inside. Got some good stuff in there. There we go. Come on. There we go. Bam. Right there, easy clip. Got the manual. And then we got this. Goes on the back to clamp it. The shark tooth. Oh, look at this little thing. That side right there. Kind of looks like a fidget spinner. Remember those things? Here we go. And we have here extendo. Bam. So all you Uber driver, Lyft drivers, DoorDash, Grubhub, delivery people out there, this could be a good one to get. Like I said, I'll grab the phone in a second. I just want to show you how to do it. You should know how to do it by now, but we got this going in the hole. Just pop it in there. There we go. Lock it in. See, full 360 swivel. So you can do it sideways, any old which way, whatever gets the job done for your liking. Make sure you line it up with the grooves. And before you lock it in, make sure It's in the spot where you feel comfortable. And then like that. Then we go like this. Oh, this is neat. Look at that. A lot better. See the mouth opens? Closes. We'll hop in the car in a second. Like I said, just give me 1 minute to pause you guys. And I'm going to take this into the garage, into the car. So really nice. Nice graphite, gunmetal. And then pop, drop, and lock. There you go. See? And of course, if you don't want this one, just untake it off like that. And then this one right here, same deal. Put it in hole. Make sure you line it up like that. Put it in there. Oh, this is different. Maybe for like RV campers and truck drivers. Depends on where your dash is or your vents are. So you have it like that. Okay, time to grab the iPhone. I'll be right back.